These two Rubik cubes are mixed with the same formula. Okay, Holly and Daddy, now pick your Rubik cube. That's Holly.
Hand it to me.
I always want the white.
Okay. Holly, okay.
No, sorry.
Now you both take a look at your Rubik cube before you
Daddy,
solve
I think I
them.
might have flicked something. Made it wrong.
No.
See, yeah.
What?
I flicked it on accident.
Aww. They the same now? Nope. Not anymore? It is. Oh no, it's not.
Ta-da!
Okay.
The same, huh?
Let's make sure. Really?
Yep.
Okay, go back to your
I
seat.
think it's good.
Dang it, my watch keep locked out.
Daddy, make sure it's comfortable this time.
Yep.
I'm gonna win this time.
So yeah.
Okay. Did you guys look at your Rubik cube?
Good luck.
Good luck.
Get ready.
Ready?
Your mom says, set go, huh?
Yeah, my watch.
Go sleep.
Yeah.
Again?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Look as she goes.
You think I gotta win? We don't want to win the bad. No, where's it?
It's almost 1 minute past.
It's okay. I don't think I can do it. Oh yeah, alright. What? How did I get? Salted.
You done?
You done? How many minutes?
1:34.
I don't know how, but somehow I gotta skip.
I don't even finish the second layer yet.
I can skip. What
But
I'm
Holly,
supposed
it was mixed the same thing.
Yeah,
So
no.
it
Shut up.
you shouldn't be
Ow.
skipped
I
anything.
know I did.
You didn't skip any formula at all?
I skipped a formula. I skipped a formula somehow.
Which one?
It was the R prime F, the headlights one. It
But
already
it's
had.
still the same mix, so you
So
win.
you get faster and faster.
Congratulations.
How did that happen? Thank you. How did that happen though?
Huh? No, because when gonna solve the cross and the corner, maybe a different mix, you know, a different configuration.
So Holly, that means in life there's nothing's fixed.
Oh,
You just have to be
even
creative.
though they mix the same, but they when gonna solve it.
Okay, you
Sometimes-
two say bye bye to the video.
Bye bye.
Great match.